Right, this video is gonna be really short. I'm gonna describe to you how to disassemble and reassemble the Mark 3 Supra or the 7M GTE cam position sensor. The first thing you do, you drill out the tab here. I drilled mine out with a 4mm drill bit, and then I just punched the rest of it through like this with a tool like this and a hammer. Next, what you want to do is get this final drive or this gear off from the shaft, which comes off either pulling with a chisel like this and a hammer. And then once you get that off, you just turn this upwards like this and punch this axle through. It drops down immediately. Naturally, you have to disassemble the cover also from this side. It's on with only 3 bolts. Once you take the this shaft out, it comes out that way. There's a bearing inside here. You'll see it there. There's the bearing. You remove that. You can tap it through here now with a chisel like this. Also, just put it and hammer it down. The bearing comes out. It's a very ordinary bearing, and it has these markings, so you know where you can get one just like this. And then there's an axle seal inside there, which comes off also. And this is the bugger that usually starts leaking oil, and that's why the cam position sensors always leak oil in these engines. And this is the seal, and it has also the markings on the seal itself, but this one is so the markings on the oil seal are as follow: NOK AH 0258H and 20. And here you can find the link where are the specifications of the oil seal. And here we have the specifications. It's meant for a 10mm shaft. The outer diameter is 20mm and the width is 5mm. And it's a normal axle shaft, axle oil seal with a spring in it. And you can find these as spare parts pretty much from all around the world with the same dimensions. It doesn't matter who makes these axle shafts. It's very ordinary seal. It's just a 10mm shaft, 20 outer diameter, and remember that it has a spring in it. This one I had to heat out, and that's how you know which way it also goes. So this flat surface comes out. That's always, remember the when you have these kind of seals, that this inner groove needs to go to the oil side, and this outside, that keeps the oil in. And the assembling is just reverse. Put the shaft seal in place, tap it in, remember to tap it in, put the new bearing, put the shaft, put new pin on the shaft with the gear, put the rear cover on, and you're ready to go. It doesn't leak oil anymore. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.